Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Colin with Mandrino Motorsports again. Today we're installing a Christmas present that was bought by my lovely wife. We're doing rain guard for WeatherTech. And these are the in channels, so it gives you that nice kind of low profile look. A couple things are different on this one versus kind of the older style Tacomas. They require the use of these clips for the rears. So kind of the first thing that we'll do is we'll make sure the window's clean halfway down. Come here. The window's clean, it's halfway down. I already ran a paper towel on the little guard that's provided to kind of clean inside the channel. That way there's no dirt and debris. It's always best to work with a clean surface. You take the little clip, measure about 3 inches, pull down the weather stripping, and you just tuck it in. So now it's in place. Take the front side, do the same, about 3 inches. Tuck it up into place of the weather strip. And you'll take your rear. This is really important. The front side has more of a flat edge. The back side is more of a round edge. So it'll only fit in one way. I learned this the hard way. So then it goes in on both sides. You'll bow it, work it up and over the new clips that you just installed. Work it around and push it up in place. Make sure the clips are seated. And then you pull it out a little bit. Now that's in place. Sorry, there's a bunch of stickers on here. Fronts are a little more complicated. You want the window down all the way. You insert it into the front edge, bow it out. You're not going to break it. It's 30 degrees where I'm at right now, and I still have that much flex out of it. And then start working from the front was the easiest way I saw. Continue to bow down and into the channel. Keep in mind you want to watch that weather strip. It's going to make some weird noises. It'd be easier if it was warmer outside, but we're dealing with Oklahoma weather. Give it a wiggle, and then tuck it into place. And then you're going to want to pull it, because these do have the safety features that whenever the window goes up, if there's anything impeding the track, it's going to send the window back down. So when it does that, you want to make sure that you pull out to seat these all the way. That way it's not interfering. And that's it. All right, guys, so it's a different day. Just wanted to get some miles under these WeatherTechs. That way I can give you an honest review of them and kind of tell you why I like them and why I would pick them over a lot of other brands. So these WeatherTechs are phenomenal. The fit and finish on them is amazing. They pop right into place. It's actually a very snug, tight fit. With that being said, that it is a little more work to get them in than the stick-ons, but I think it provides a much clearer, cleaner, nice finish versus the other ones. On top of that, I'm going to tell you a little story here. These are the second set that I've had. First set for this truck, but second set for previous Tacoma I had. And one of the greatest things and why I will pick them over most other ones is the fact that their customer service is unbeatable. Their products are always great, but then the customer service on top of that makes it just awesome. So I actually had one fall off my last truck, a rear one. It was an older style that used adhesive. These use clips to retain themselves. The adhesive gave out, it fell on the side of the road, someone ran it over, it was destroyed. So I had a truck with 3 out of 4. So I emailed WeatherTech, and they were almost instantaneous emailing me back. I showed them proof of purchase, showed them that I was missing one, and they almost immediately emailed me, or mailed me another one next day. So really phenomenal company, cannot recommend them enough. And I would definitely, if you're looking at buying, let that be a factor. So that being said, make sure to like and subscribe, leave a comment, and I'll catch you all in next week's.